What is up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today we want to learn how to do a quick little zoom to this person on screen for a social media video. TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm a clip in this frame. I've already scaled it up to fit the frame right here. Really simple. What we're going to do is go to effects. We're going to use transform. So transform is an effect that's a little easier for this kind of stuff. It's a little more proper. You can totally do it within the video motion tags, but I'd rather do it in transform, and you'll learn why in a second. So let's go ahead and just hit a keyframe on the position here and keyframe on the scale. This is how we're going to do it. Go down our timeline. We're going to scale up until we're happy with her on screen, about right there. And then we're going to keyframe the position right here, and then we're going to move her to the center of the screen because we want her to be in the center. Right. So then highlight both these keyframes, right click and do temporal interpolation, ease out, right click both of these, and then same thing, ease in. This gives us a nice little zoom effect. Really simple, nice and smooth. We want to make it a little more dramatic. So highlight both these keyframes, grab the anchor point right here and kind of just pull it a little bit. Grab these two keyframes, pull this back, this a little bit, and it makes it a little more dramatic of a zoom. Like so. Maybe stretch these out a little bit. And from here, because we're using the transform tag, we can actually scroll down to shutter angle right here and do 180, which is going to give you a realistic motion blur when this thing scales. Now the normal motion tag will not do that. That's why we use transform. And there you go. You can make a nice little zoom. Now, if you want to know what this looks like on TikTok or Instagram, you can download my overlay pack, which has tons of different overlays. But for this tutorial, we're using the social overlay. Let's grab Instagram Reels, right click, fit to frame, and we can see this is what it will look like on Instagram. If you'd like a link to this pack, just comment pack down below. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.